Now today's topic is cheletropic reaction. A cheletropic reaction is also a type of cyclic addition reaction in which the combination of two molecules results in the cyclic product formations, which involves the two sigma bonds on the same carbon atom. Now let us consider an example. So this particular molecule is ethene, which reacted with this carbene. Now when the carbene is going to be reacted with the ethylene molecule, it forms a cyclic product, this particular cyclopropane ring. Now here it is, you can see these two new bonds are formed. These two new sigma bonds are formed. Two sigma bonds are formed. Similarly, in the case of second example, so this second molecule is diene molecule conjugated system reacted with the sulfur dioxide. It forms this type of cyclic product. Again, this product involves formation of new sigma bonds according to the definitions. In the cheletropic type of reactions, when the molecule is going to be react with the another molecule, that particular product forms two sigma bond with the same carbon atom. Here it is a sulfur is the atom in the starting material, product also sulfur is there. So that sulfur is formed the two sigma bonds. In the previous case, that carbon is going to be formed with the two sigma bonds. Same atom is there. Now this is another example that same conjugated system we are going to consider, and it is going to be react with the carbon monoxide. Again, that carbon monoxide in the product side, that carbon monoxide forms the same new sigma bonds, two sigma bonds. So this is the basic idea about the cheletropic reactions. Students should remember that in the case of cheletropic reaction, it involves the combination of two molecules. This is the first, this is second. That second molecule should be carbene, sulfur dioxide, or monoxide, anything else. When it reacts with this conjugated or unsaturated system, it always forms a cyclic system. If you can see these three examples, in these three examples, cyclic system is formed, right? And in the cyclic system, in the product case, each product forms two new sigma bonds. So such type of reactions are classified into the cheletropic type of reactions. So Cheletrop- Cheletropic reactions are specific reactions. Why they are specific reaction? If you consider, if you consider cis 2 butene, when it is reacted with the carbene, so it gives a cis product. So cis butene gives cis product, means specific isomer gives specific product. Similarly, trans 2 butene is going to be react with same molecule, second molecule, that is carbene. It gives a trans isomer. So cis isomer gives cis and trans isomer gives trans, so the reaction becomes stereospecific. Now consider example. You can see here this particular type of if you see the position of methyl groups on the same side, so it is a cis 2 butene. Now this cis 2 butene is going to be react with this molecule carbene molecule like that, and it forms this cyclopropane ring, substituted cyclopropane ring. Now if you see here, the position of methyl groups are on the same side of cyclopropane ring. So this particular product having stereochemistry cis. So in this case, cis isomer gives cis. So specific isomer gives specific product. Similarly, in the case of second example, that is trans, if you see the geometry of methyl groups is opposite to each other, so they are opposite to each other, right? So these are the trans molecules. So it is trans. When the trans 2 butene is going to be react with the carbene, it forms such type of cyclic intermediate, right? This cyclic product is there, that is cyclopropane is there. Now you can see here the position of methyl groups, it is same as in the case of reactants. So the stereochemistry is maintained. The trans product gives a trans reactant gives trans product, so it is a trans. So trans gives trans, so the reaction is stereospecific reactions.